Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to learn a little bit more about circles. Look at this circle. It has a center X. The yellow line is called the circumference of the circle. It is also known as the perimeter of the circle. The blue line, which starts from the center of the circle and touches the circumference, is known as the radius of the circle. The green line, which divides the circle equally into half, passes through the center of the circle. This green line is called the diameter of the circle. Remember in the previous story of circumference and the first round table, we met Lady Di of emitter and radius. Let's look at the definition of radius. What is radius? A radius is the distance between one point on the circumference of a circle to its center. The plural form of radius is radii. It is spelled as R-A-D-I-I. Next, what is a diameter? A diameter is the distance between one point on the circumference of a circle to another point on the opposite side, passing through its center. From these two definitions, we can conclude that radius is half the diameter, or the diameter is twice the radius. Next, what is circumference? The circumference, as mentioned earlier, is the perimeter or the distance bounded by the circle. We have learned the different parts of a circle, but we always hear about pi. What is pi? Pi is actually a constant or a number that shows the relationship between the circumference of the circle and its diameter. The value of pi is known to be infinity, meaning that the number goes on. It is also said that the digits in pi do not recur, meaning the digits do not repeat itself in a certain pattern. The closest approximation to the value of pi is 3.14 or 22/7. You will learn more about pi in the story of circumference and the dragon pi later on. In this lesson, I would like you to remember this important formula in finding circumference. However, I strongly encourage you to use pi times d to find the circumference of any circle. Let's take a look at the following example. You are required to find the circumference of a circle of radius 10 cm. Take note that this question requires you to leave your answer in terms of pi. This means that you do not convert pi to take any number. Treat pi like your letter x in algebra. Given that the radius is 10 cm, let's find the diameter first, which is twice the radius. To find the circumference, we multiply pi with diameter. The answer is 20 pi cm. In the next example, we are required to find the circumference of a circle of radius 14 cm. For this question, we are given an approximate value of pi, which is 22/7. Again, let's find the diameter first, which is twice the radius. To find the circumference, we multiply pi with the diameter. The answer is 88 cm. In this example, we are required to find the circumference of a circle of radius 20 cm. For this question, we are given an approximate value of pi, which is 3.14. Again, let's find the diameter first, which is twice the radius. To find the circumference, we multiply pi with the diameter. The answer is 125.6 cm. In this example, we are required to find the circumference of a circle of radius 35 cm. For this question, we are asked to use the calculator value of pi. Do take note of the presentation of your number statement and the use of approximate sign for such questions. For the next 4 examples, the questions are somewhat similar, but the diameters are given instead. Try the sums first before you click to reveal the answers. Happy trying!